Good morning, dear students. Last periods we have learned about this lesson. Simon says, now I am continuing this lesson. We have learned till up to when the grandpa returned at home. At that time, Simon was very happy. Simon rose shakily to his feet and began to bark. Simon was shaking his front legs and he was barking. It means he was expressing his happiness. Almost, see the next paragraph, continue. Almost trying to dance around. Simon was dancing around with their family members, getting under our feet as we help Grandpa. And all the family members were helping to Grandpa get into a chair. The attendant who brought Grandpa from the hospital told me, keep the dog away. He will jump on the old man and hurt him. But Grandpa put up his hand and said hoarsely, Simon is too smart to do that. When the grandpa was returned at home, at that time, Simon was moving around them and one of the attendant means someone who is watching his duty, who is take care of someone. That attendant said, you have to keep away this dog from the grandpa. Sometimes maybe he will be hurt the grandpa. But the grandpa was getting angry. Hoarsely means sounding rough and harsh. He speak loudly with roughly. Simon is too smart to do that. Means Simon knows everything, how to behave with the patient. He is smart. There were only a few days left before Christmas and we had to look after two patients. Which are the two patients? One of the grandpa and Simon also was not good. These two patients. In the house, now as we finish our preparation, they all are prepared for the preparing on the occasion of Christmas. They were decorating their house, making sweet dish at home during this period. But as the days pass, both made a slow, steady recovery. Means both means here two patients were going to recover slowly. On Christmas Eve, I found Grandpa clicking off his mobile phone. On the Christmas occasion, Rita found her grandpa was clicking off his mobile phone. I thought we were pals. Means pals here, friends. Why didn't you tell me how ill Simon was? Grandpa had obviously been checking with the vet as well as talking to Ma. Grandpa was asking how did the Simon get ill? Getting fever. How he become ill? What happened with him? Grandpa was asking with all members and Rita's mother. I didn't say anything. The next morning, after picking up the presents from below the hastily decorated Christmas tree. Next morning, after picking up the present from the below, they are decorated the Christmas tree. I found Grandpa's bed empty. Rita found Grandpa was not in his bed. And Simon nowhere in the sight. Simon was not also in their home. They did not see. I was rushing out of the room to inform Ma. Rita was very aware about her grandfather and she informed Ma when Grandpa walked in unsteadily from the veranda, led by Simon, and she watched. She saw what she saw. Grandpa was walking unsteadily, means he is walking very properly, means neatly after the accident. And who is leading? Leading means who is guiding? Lead means here guide. Simon. Simon was guiding the grandpa. Grandpa, you are able to walk again, I exclaim. I speak loudly. Rita speak loudly means I means here. Rita speak loudly. You are, Grandpa, you are able to walk again? How did you do it? How do you do it? How is it possible? I needed to get strong again for Simon. Simon says he is not ready to go yet. Grandpa was telling, I needed to strong. I needed to get strong again for Simon. I needed to get strong again for Simon. Grandpa said to Rita, I have to be strong for Simon. Simon says he is not ready to get yet, but Simon was not ready to help me, or not ready to guide me. Grandpa, you are playing. Simon says again. I said happily. That means Simon was telling to Grandpa, and they both are playing. Simon and Grandpa was playing with each other, and I said happily. Rita was very happy when the Simon was helping, guiding to Grandpa, and that's why the grandfather said, I needed to get strong again for Simon. Okay, dear student, we have finished this lesson. Means what we learn from this lesson? Our elders, and we should have to help our elders when they are sick, when they need. We should have to help everyone, those are not well. Okay, dear students.